I hope someone dies here. I really do. If they die at DreamHack, cinema, please.
That's a good call. Here, switch that up.
The thing is, I've been done. There's no way anyone that isn't a WoW streamer wants to be alive anymore. They want this to be over. Someone's getting.
I don't know if no, the dummy is still alive. I don't know.
Oh, it's dead now.
He's having tech issues. Is Volps in here? Oh, Volps is. Where's Recount, Tyler? All right. It's ridiculous. Maybe Volps will like die to techies or something.
Why are we killing Skull first? Okay.
I'm his dispeller too.
I got you, bro. We've got you.
Okay.
Bro.
All right. Standard marks, except Jamie is on square. I think that is standard, actually. Slip, you're going to be on moon. Skull moon X to the right. All right, pulling in 5. Tanks up here. Arla slip.
I have 1, guys.
All right, pulling in 3, 2, 1.
Is Volps live? No.
All right, hit skull or hit square. It's a good threat. Tonka will be ready to taunt if it gets crazy. It's fire vuln. Bump it.
Savix, where were you running, by the way?
I got orders from Kamala Pappas to run in and kill everyone.
Let's do it.
I was watching it.
Let's pull all 3 techie packs.
Well, what if we actually pull 3 techie packs?
No.
For Sodapoppin.
Good job, guys.
Our leader.
How many gifted did you get, Savix?
He didn't even get the stuff. This millionaire doesn't even
There's
get
no
stuff.
way.
Man.
All right, let's hunters get ready. We're gonna do the pull in the back. LOS, everybody.
Are you ready?
Who else is streaming?
You know? Like
Zeroji?
Just 100.
I'll do it for 420 gifted subs.
Ooh, is there any oiler from Dubai, maybe?
There's a price on it.
Oh, be very careful.
All right. Let's hear how Tyler's stream is doing at DreamHack Live.
You're so fucked.
Why does his screen look so weird? Is he?
Okay, buddy.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Wait, why does it?
Help him.
Oh, that's crazy. He's bugged. He's actually doing it.
What is going on? His aspect ratio. This shit is weird looking.
Slow traps down.
Are we still hiding?
Everybody leave the sand.
Cool.
Hide,
Oh, Soda's yapping in the chat. Soda, why aren't you doing your job, bro? These are your boys.
I quit forever ago. I had a whole fucking goodbye ceremony. Yapping. I typed 1 sentence. I control V'd it even. Unbelievable. Crazy.
Just stand right here.
Did Tyler re-level? He did. I don't know what gear Tyler has.
Yeah, DPS behind Flamegor, and you can.
Wait, did he
feed
get
them as long as
rezzed?
threat's good.
They
Okay.
rezzed Tyler?
Pre-shield Parley, you're gonna shield.
Wait, that's his character.
We're gonna grab them both at the same time.
He died at level 42 and got rezzed for a day?
Pulling in 3, 2.
They rezzed him for a day.
You just
Gold dragon.
That's actually fucking crazy.
Yeah, no DPS. Let them.
All right, we're focusing Flamegor. Once threat is safe. Good.
They double pulled on purpose.
Yep. Need fairy fire on skull.
I got it.
I got it.
These bosses are very easy if the tanks know what's going on.
All right, wing buffets coming. Wing buffets taunt. Face it away more, or less away. Slip. You're gonna breathe the raid. Don't breathe the raid.
So yeah, these dragons do a breath that basically can one-shot you.
Parla. Oh my god.
Oh shit.
Rip Geronimo.
I'm dead, guys.
Parla.
Don't say anything. Yes! Get another one. Get another one. Get another one. Come on, baby.
I'm zoning. Versus.
Swing buff it. Slip, turn it more. Slip, turn it more. Turn it against the wall, against the wall.
He would die in front of Tyler.
Of course. Trank next. Do you have Trank?
Work time. Fuck, hang on.
Turn it,
Turn
turn
it.
it, turn it, Maester.
Wait the raid. Breathe. Fuck.
Steady.
All right. Locking on Flamegor. Finish it.
Zoning.
Finish it!
Finish
You
it.
can't listen!
One's down.
One down.
That was there was a moment there.
Ton it off me? Someone?
Use
Yeah,
your
yeah,
staff.
All right.
Pete, get in there, stab.
Wait, this boss was almost.
I
He
have
was
a
almost
dagger.
full HP. He was just standing there, cosmetic
Yeah,
boss.
I don't know what the point of
Can we have
two was
a
when
you
he
can't
said it 100%.
listen?
Geronimo was rightly scared. I don't know how
another
Geronimo
breath.
died. To be
What an
honest.
idiot.